Hello students, today we will continue our lesson junk seller. I hope previous videos you had seen and understood how Kiran was doing her business. Today we will study how much to pay for this junk which she is collecting from uh, junk collectors and kept in her shop, and the rate she had given. This page you can see the rate list. She is purchasing the things for each item per kg, how much rupees it is given. So look at on the screen, waste paper 4 rupees per kg, newspaper 5 rupees per kg, iron 12 rupees per kg, brass 170 rupees per kg, and plastic 10 rupees per kg. So here question is, how can you do without writing? You are not able to do directly. So I will show the solutions after explaining. How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? So how you will do 42 multiplied by newspaper 5 rupees per kg. So 42 multiplied by 5, that we have to do with writing only. So there are other methods that I will show you now. Like that, also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic. 1 kg of plastic costing 10 rupees. So what will be the cost of 22 kg of plastic? Same way, 23 kg of waste paper, 1 kg of waste paper costing 4 rupees. So what will be the total cost of 23 kg of waste paper? Again one more question is there, 12 kg of iron. 1 kg of iron is 12 rupees. So 12 kg of iron, how many rupees? So that we will see now. Students, see now this page number 64, that solution I had there is no place to do, so I had separately done. Students, you can also copy in your notebook this particular solution because it is very important. So first question you see, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? So cost of 1 kg newspaper rupees 15. So what will be the cost of 42 kg newspaper? Actual multiplication is 42 multiplied by 15. But there is some easy method for to do this calculation. So we can split 42 as 40 plus 2. So we will write 40 and 2 on the top. With which number we are going to multiply? That is 15. That also we can split as 10 plus 5. So that will be easy for mental calculation. So look at that, how I had done. First step, 40 multiplied by 10. Written answer in that same place, 400. How we will do that? 10 0 and 4 0 we will write together, and 4 ones are 4. That last class also I explained. I hope everybody knowing. Next step is 2 multiplied by 10. Write 0 on the right side and 2 ones are 2. Same way, next step, 40 multiplied by 5. 0 right on the right side, then 4 5s are 20. So answer is 200. Like that, 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. Now what is the next step? We have to write all the answers in order and plus it. Then only we will get the correct answer. So we will take 400 plus 200 plus 20 plus 10. You see the addition, 2 plus 0 plus 0, that's 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 2, 6. So what will be the cost of 42 kg newspapers at the rate of 15 rupees per kg? 630 rupees. So this is easy multiplication. we will split as a tens table and we can do it very easily. So students, please this part you copy in your notebook. Now next question, there are some more questions are there. Also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic. So 22 kg of plastic, you had seen just now the rate list. It is 1 kg of plastic costing 10 rupees. So I had written here cost of 1 kg of plastic is rupees 10. Cost of 22 kg of plastic equal to 22 multiplied by 10. So here directly multiplying we will get the answer 220, but the easy method 20 plus 2. So first we will do uh, 20 multiplied by 10. So 2 0 right on the right side, 2 ones are 2. Like that 2 multiplied by 10, write 0 on the right side, 2 ones are 2. So we will plus together 200 plus 20, 220. So the answer is same you are getting. So the cost of 22 kg of plastic is 220. Now third question is what is the cost of 23 kg of waste paper if 1 kg costs 7 rupees? So cost of 1 kg of waste paper is 7 rupees. Therefore, cost of 23 kg of waste paper, 23 multiplied by 7. Direct, instead of doing direct multiplication, easy method, 23 we can split 20 plus 3. So we will write 20 and 3 on the top, and on the side we will write 7. So first we will multiply with the 7. 20 multiplied by 7. 0 right on the right side, and 7 twos are 40. 140. And same way 7 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 7 equal to 21. So we will plus together 140 plus 21 equal to 161. So answer is 160. Now students, here uh, that cost of 12 kg iron is asking. Cost of 1 kg iron, it is not 12, it is 22 rupees. So correct number is 22. It is printing mistake only there. So here I had written cost of 1 kg of iron is 22 rupees. Therefore cost of 12 kg of iron, so 22 multiplied by 12. So directly, instead of doing directly, we will write 22, we will split 20 plus 2. So 20 and 2 we will write on the top, and 12 also we can split and write 10 plus 2 is 12. So 10 first we will write and 2 we will write below. Look at that how I had done 20 multiplied by 10. 2 0 right on the right side, 2 ones are 2. Same way 2 multiplied by 10, 20. Now second part, same number we have to multiply both the numbers on the top. So 20 multiplied by 2, 0 on the right side, 2 twos are 4. So 40. Same way 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So we will get the total of all these 200 plus 40. 40 plus 20 plus 4. So what will be the total? 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus, sorry, 4 plus 2, 6, 2. So answer is 264. Look at the numbers. 264 cost of 12 kg of iron. Then next to newspaper 630 rupees. Then plastic 220 rupees, then waste paper 161 rupees, and the iron 264. So when we will plus all these things, it will be more than 600. So one question is there, guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? The answer is more than 600. So students, today I had done this calculation. So if this calculation copy in your notebook. Direct answer if you can write in the textbook, but calculation is very important, and that also without direct multiplication we will do the easy method, so it is better to copy in your notebook. So page number also I had written, so in your notebook you when write the lesson's name, index column, and page number 64 solution, like that you can do it. And after completing the lesson, some more question you will get in PDF, that also you can continue along with that. So remaining part I will explain in the next video. Till then, goodbye.